Hey there, I'm Kenny and I'm going to show you how to get started with a Polaroid Now Plus camera. The first thing you need to do is charge the camera, using the cable inside the box, connecting to a wall charger. Turn on the camera by pressing the on-off button. The film counter will display 0. Now let's load some film. The Polaroid Now Plus uses I-type and 600 type film. I'm going to use I-type. To keep your film in the best shape, store it in the fridge. When you're ready to use it, take it out of the fridge and let it adjust to room temperature. Open the film door and insert the pack with the dark side facing up, and this tab facing out. Don't remove this tab, you'll need it later to empty the film pack. Let the dark side eject and gently remove it by lifting the film shield. Don't rip this out, it helps protect your Polaroid photo from light. Now you've got 8 photos ready to go. To take your first photo, bring the viewfinder to your eye and rest your index finger on the red shutter button. Be careful not to cover the flash or film eject slot. Make sure you're about 40 centimeters away from your subject, half press the red shutter button, and the camera will select the right lens. The photo will eject underneath the film slide. Leave it there for about 5 seconds. Carefully let the film shield roll back, remove the photo and place it face down. The flash will trigger automatically when you take a photo. To shoot without the flash, press the button before each shot. For group shots or that self-portrait you've always wanted, here's the self-timer. Tap the plus button and a small orange LED will light up below the viewfinder. When you're ready to take your photo, stand behind the camera, frame your shot, and then push the red shutter. This is so you won't block the light meter and autofocus. The orange LED will blink. You've got 9 seconds to give your best angle. A fully charged Polaroid Now Plus should last about 15 packs of film. When the battery is running low, the LED on the side will turn red. To save battery, turn the camera off when you're finished creating. Pop the lens cap on to keep out dust and avoid any scratches. When you take a Polaroid photograph, the photo is pushed through 2 metal rollers. If these rollers are dirty, you might get some marks on your developed photo. When your camera has no film pack inside, open the film door and rotate these rollers, cleaning them as they turn. Make sure the rollers are dry before you use the camera again. It's best to clean the rollers every 2 to 3 packs of film.
The first thing we need to do when we take the camera out the box is fully charge it. You'll find a cable inside the box. Next, we'll turn the camera on by pressing the yellow button. As you can see, there's a 0 inside the window, meaning that we need to load the film. The design of the camera is slightly different and we've moved the film door latch to the side of the camera. To load the film, we're going to press the button and then insert the film pack. Once we've loaded the film, you can see there is an 8 inside the window. This means the camera is fully loaded and we're ready to shoot. The Polaroid Now takes I-type and 600 film, so you can still use the special editions inside the camera. The Polaroid Now also has an accurate flash, meaning you'll get more balanced results in lower light. The flash button is next to the on-off button. To turn the flash off, we're going to press the button once. The camera will automatically turn the flash on for the next exposure. If we want to turn the flash off for more than one exposure, we need to press the button twice. To turn the flash on again, we need to press the button once. The Polaroid Now also has a self-timer. To access this function, we're going to press the button at the front of the camera. When the orange light is illuminated, we know that we're in self-timer mode. Then, when we press the shutter button, the camera will count down and take the photo. Is it doing it? To turn the mode off, we'll just press the self-timer button again. We've also added double exposure to the Polaroid Now. To access this mode, we're going to press the self-timer button twice. To know if we're in double exposure mode, we'll see a 1 will appear in the window. If we want to deactivate double exposure, we're just going to press the self-timer button twice. One of the main features of the Polaroid Now is the autofocus. The camera will choose between a portrait and a standard lens so you can focus on getting the best shot.